All right, let's talk about auto coaching, Hulk style. You know the problem? Most reps push hard, send messages, join calls, do the work, but it's chaotic. It's like Hulk smashing everything with full power but zero targeting, great energy, terrible aim, and deals slip through the cracks. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, reps get real-time coaching during calls, after calls, inside emails, across objections. AI tells them which questions to ask, what tone to use, when they talk too much, when the buyer signals interest, and when to push or slow down. It turns raw effort into elite performance. Power plus precision, closed deals. So answer this: why are your reps still operating like Hulk without a strategy? Episode 86 is coming. Subscribe.